In today's world, technology isn't optional, it's essential. It fuels how we learn, work, create, and grow. Having the right technology right when you need it, that's everything. Welcome to India Rentals, your trusted partner for IT equipment rentals across India for over 25 years.
See, India Rentals as a brand provides IT rental products, be it MacBooks, servers, gaming PC, video editing devices, or any servers, AI machines, these kind of IT devices on rental basis.
The main idea of making India Rentals was to streamline the process of ordering and renting for B2C customers. We wanted to create a systematic order of things where users can easily navigate, see the pricing, place the order, get the documentation done, and just manage everything from one platform.
Our product range includes everything from MacBooks, desktops, high-end editing and gaming machines to enterprise-level AI machines. Whether you're into gaming, creating, or computing, we have you covered.
When I used to tell someone that we are into rental industry, they used to koi rent pe leta hai? And I used to tell them this is a 20,000 crore industry.
इंडिविजुअल हमारे पास दो तरह के क्लाइंट्स हैं, B2C एंड B2B। अगर B2C है तो वो तो अपना ऑनलाइन ही ऑर्डर प्रोसेस करवा के डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का पार्ट होता है, वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करेंगे। देन उसके बाद हमारा डॉक्यूमेंटेशन डिपार्टमेंट उसको चेक करके उसका एक अप्रूवल जाता है हमारी तरफ से, तो वो पेमेंट प्रोसेस करवाने के बाद उसको डिलीवरी एंड डिस्पैच हो जाता है।
So for booking the order, we have a dedicated website indiarentals.com, and you can go there, book your order in just 99 rupees, which is 100% refundable.
With a fully managed in-house website and a ticket-based support system, Renting Tech is now just a few clicks away.
We constantly try to make sure that the website is up to date with all the standards and is very interactive for users, making sure that it loads in a very optimized manner, even in low network locations, working with mobile first designs so that users can navigate easily on smaller devices.
Each device is tested and assembled with precision, ensuring quality you can rely on, from our hands to yours.
And we operate pan-India. We have multiple branches across India and multiple service agreements with hardware service providers who can support pan-India basis in any city.
From Chandigarh to Bangalore, our fleet of 10,000 plus devices reaches startups, corporates, and creators alike, with trust and availability you can count on.
वी हैव स्टार्टेड कंपनी बहुत एक छोटे से लेवल से स्टार्ट करी थी, अब हम बहुत बिग कंपनी है और ये सब एक हमारी एम्प्लॉइज़ की वजह से पॉसिबल है। जितने भी कंपनी में एम्प्लॉइज़ हैं मैक्सिमम दे आर वर्किंग फॉर मोर देन 10 ईयर्स, 25 ईयर, 15 ईयर्स। तो इसका मतलब हम कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं जो हमारे साथ इतने एसोसिएटेड हैं और ये सभी फैमिली की तरह हैं।
When we talk about India Rentals, first thing is, we say we are simplifying rentals. So just in 30 seconds you can order from our website, and within one day you will get your delivery. That is how we are simplifying it. It is all digital, no human intervention required. You just have to be online, place your order, and you will get your product at your place.
We are here to take your vision further. Log on to indiarentals.com and let technology fulfill your dreams.